Are your foggy yellowed headlights making your car look old and compromising your safety at night? You don't need to spend hundreds on new housings, because today we are uncovering the truth about the most popular headlight restoration kits on the market. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which kit is worth your hard-earned cash, and you definitely want to stick around for our number one pick, because its unique formula completely changed my mind about what a DIY kit can achieve. 7. Rain-X 610153. Rain-X is a legendary brand known primarily for their incredible glass water repellent treatments, so naturally they ventured into the world of automotive plastics. Their kit promises a quick, multi-step process without the need for heavy power tools or an extensive garage setup. It is heavily marketed toward the weekend warrior who wants to tackle a Saturday morning project without too much fuss. Inside the packaging, you get a specially formulated lubricant, a few fine polishing pads, and a sealant designed to protect your freshly cleaned lenses. The entire system feels very approachable, especially for a beginner who might be intimidated by the idea of taking a power drill to their car's expensive headlight housings. During the application process, I found myself scrubbing quite a bit more than I initially anticipated. The provided solutions do manage to remove the superficial yellowing relatively well, giving an immediate, albeit fleeting sense of satisfaction when you first wipe the cloudy residue away from the lens. However, the deeper, more baked-in oxidation remains stubbornly in place. No matter how much elbow grease I applied or how long I worked the polishing pads, that true factory-clear transparency was simply out of reach, ultimately leaving a slightly hazy finish that still diffuses the headlight beam. The biggest letdown of this entire system, unfortunately, is the longevity of the final sealant provided in the kit.
Within just a few short weeks of regular sun exposure, the dreaded yellowing began to noticeably creep back in, making this kit feel much more like a temporary band-aid rather than a true, permanent restoration solution. 6. Turtle Wax T-240KT. Turtle Wax is an absolute household name in the car care industry, and their T-240KT kit aims to be an all-in-one, highly affordable fix for hazy lights. It promises to dramatically restore clarity and improve nighttime driving visibility without breaking the bank or requiring a trip to a professional detailer. Inside the box, you are greeted with multiple color-coded sanding pads, a spray lubricant, a clarifying compound, and a pair of lens sealing wipes. The inclusion of physical abrasives is a definite step up from purely chemical cleaners, allowing you to physically cut into the damaged layers of plastic. Working your way through the various grits requires a significant amount of intense manual labor. You really have to put your back into the sanding phase, keeping the lens wet and scrubbing vigorously to ensure you are uniformly removing the degraded UV layer from the curved plastic surfaces. The clarifying compound does a decent job of smoothing out the harsh sanding marks, but the final base sealing wipe is incredibly finicky and frustrating to apply. When I applied it, the chemical flashed far too quickly and left highly visible streaks across the plastic that actually distorted the light output, completely undoing the hard work of the sanding phase. While the kit certainly does improve heavily oxidized lenses to a functional level, the tight margin for error during that final sealing step makes it incredibly difficult to recommend. If you do not get that wipe absolutely perfect on the very first swipe, you are stuck with an ugly, blotchy finish that looks worse than when you started. 5. Mother's NuLens. Stepping up our restoration game significantly, we have the Mother's NuLens kit,
which finally introduces power tools into the equation. This is the exact point in a countdown where we start seeing a major shift from exhausting manual scrubbing to highly efficient machine-assisted restoration. The kit includes a durable backing plate that attaches directly to your standard household power drill, along with specialized high-quality sanding discs and a foam polishing pad. This mechanized setup immediately takes the intense physical strain out of the process, saving your arms and shoulders a lot of grief. Using the drill makes incredibly quick work of the heavy yellowing, pitting, and road rash on the lens surface. The provided sanding discs are surprisingly robust, cutting through the thickest, most degraded plastic with impressive efficiency and leaving a perfectly uniform frosted surface ready for polishing. The included Power Plastic 4 Lights polish is exactly where this kit really shines, bringing back a beautiful, completely clear luster to the housing. It buffs out the microscopic scratches left behind by the aggressive sanding phase exceptionally well, leaving an incredibly smooth and highly reflective surface. The resulting clarity is a massive, undeniable improvement over the manual kits we discussed earlier, making your vehicle look years younger in just a fraction of the time. It offers a fantastic, practical balance of effort and reward, serving as a highly effective mid-tier option for anyone dealing with moderate to severe headlight oxidation. Four, 3M Ultra. Coming in strong at number 4 is the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit, a premium product backed by a brand that is literally synonymous with professional-grade abrasives and adhesives. This kit leans heavily on industrial sanding technology to deliver shop-quality results in your own driveway. 3M provides a comprehensive array of their famous Trizact sanding discs that you operate with a standard drill, taking you through a very specific, scientific designed sequence of abrasive grits. This meticulous, multi-stage sanding ensures every single bit of old, dead plastic is completely leveled and removed. The progression from coarse, dry sanding to ultrafine, wet sanding is incredibly satisfying to watch, as the lens transforms from a frosty, opaque white to a near-transparent state, even before any polish is applied. The abrasives simply do not clog up like cheaper alternatives, making the whole process incredibly smooth. The absolute standout feature here is the specialized clear coat wipe included for the final step, which applies flawlessly and levels out to a glass-like finish. It acts as a robust, long-lasting barrier against future UV damage, acid rain, and harsh environmental contaminants. I was thoroughly impressed by the pristine, professional-level clarity achieved with this system without having to pay professional prices. This kit absolutely delivers on its bold promises, providing a crisp, bright, and highly focused headlight beam that vastly improves your safety and nighttime visibility. 3. Meguiar's Ultimate. Taking the bronze medal in our lineup is Meguiar's Ultimate Headlight Restoration Kit, a powerhouse solution from another legendary automotive detailing brand. This kit is specifically designed to tackle the most severe cases of oxidation, hazing, and long-term sun neglect. It brilliantly combines the sheer efficiency of drill-operated sanding with their industry-renowned Plast-X clear plastic cleaner and polish. The heavy-duty nature of this dual-action system means you can approach even the most stubborn, crusty, and yellowed headlights with total confidence. The sanding pads aggressively but safely strip away the deeply baked-in yellowed layers, and the polishing phase quickly restores an impressive, completely transparent finish. The proprietary Plast-X polish really feeds the plastic, filling in microscopic imperfections and leaving a deeply reflective gloss. What truly elevates the Meguiar's Ultimate Kit above the competition is their proprietary headlight coating, which is applied via an aerosol spray can rather than a wipe. This spray format allows for an incredibly even, factory-like clear coat application without any risk of the streaking or smudging we saw in lower-ranked kits. The final result is simply stunning, offering a brilliant, flawless shine that genuinely makes the housings look like brand new replacement parts. Furthermore, the durability of the aerosol clear coating provides excellent, long-term protection against the elements, ensuring your hard work lasts for a very long time. 2. Sylvania Headlight Restoration. Just missing the top spot is the Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit, a brilliant product created by a company that actually manufactures high-end automotive lighting. This deep industry expertise shines through in their incredibly thorough, meticulously engineered chemical and physical restoration process. This kit takes a highly unique approach by starting with a proprietary surface activator chemical that physically softens and melts the UV damage layer before you even begin sanding. This crucial first step makes the subsequent manual sanding phases significantly easier, faster, and far more effective. You progress manually through 3 distinct grades of high-quality waterproof sandpaper, followed immediately by a rich clarifying compound that perfectly prepares the bare plastic lens for its final seal. The included step-by-step instructions are meticulous, leaving no room for error and yielding highly predictable, reliable results every single time. The crowning jewel of the Sylvania system is their UV block clear coat, which chemically cures into a tough, incredibly durable, invisible shield. The application is buttery smooth, and as it cures, it visually melts away the final microscopic bits of haze, leaving behind nothing but pure, unadulterated clarity. The longevity of this specific kit is phenomenal, often outlasting the vehicle's actual ownership period, which makes it an incredible value for the money. It is arguably the most comprehensive, scientifically sound restoration system available on the market, restoring maximum light output and ensuring it stays that way for years. One, CERAKOTE Ceramic. Taking the absolute top spot on our list, without a shadow of a doubt, is the CERAKOTE Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. This product completely revolutionizes the DIY restoration process by utilizing advanced aerospace-grade ceramic coating technology rather than traditional waxes, polymers, or basic clear coats. The most shocking and impressive aspect of this kit is that it requires absolutely no power tools whatsoever, yet it consistently delivers results that completely surpass heavy-duty drill-based systems. It relies entirely on brilliant, cutting-edge chemical engineering to do all of the heavy lifting for you. The process begins with their proprietary oxidation removal wipes, which chemically strip away years of severe yellowing with just a few gentle passes of your hand. Watching a decade of sun damage literally melt away onto a small towel in a matter of seconds is nothing short of incredibly satisfying and almost feels like magic. After a very light manual scuffing to perfectly prep the surface, you apply the true star of the show, the pure ceramic clear coat. This highly advanced coating actually bonds with the plastic housing at a molecular level, curing rapidly to form a permanent, glass-smooth, water-beating shield over your headlights. The final clarity achieved is absolutely flawless, and CERAKOTE stands behind their product with a true lifetime warranty against any future oxidation or hazing. For its unmatched ease of use, guaranteed professional-grade results, and permanent ceramic protection, this is undeniably the best headlight restoration kit you can buy today.